Hey friends! So guys, for today's video, I thought I would actually just show you how I achieve my high ponytail with having short hair. So every now and again you will probably see me wearing like a clip-in high ponytail, and I always end up getting comments and questions as in how I do it and where I get my ponytail and everything. So I thought I would might as well just sit here and actually do a full video on it for you guys. This is obviously the length of my hair here. It's pretty short and shit. So I do have two ponytails here that I want to show you guys. Both are from the same brand, but they're two different like styles, and they're both from Lullabells. This video is not sponsored or anything, I wish. So today's sponsor is me. The first one I have here, I do apologise, I don't know what it's called, but I will link it down below. So this is the first one I have, and I'm honestly not too sure what inch this is. The style of this is just pure straight. It is synthetic hair, so I would have kind of advised for you not to curl this or anything, although you can on their website get clip-in ponytails that do have a curl to it. This is the type of one that has like one wee grip. I wouldn't say this is a clip because it's not a clip, it's just like a wee hair grip thing. And then we have this wee side situation here. Then I have this one here. So I think this is the one I'm going to be wearing today because I kind of do prefer this one. And it looks exactly the same as the first one. It just has like the wee grip thing here and then the wee wrap around piece of hair. And I did forget to mention that this situation along here, this bit here and this bit here is Velcro, so whenever you're actually wrapping it around your ponytail or your bun of your actual hair, it's actually able to grip and stick so it doesn't fall apart or anything. But what I love about this one is the fact that this is actually 18" and it's the Grande. I think it's the Grande style, so it's the mini 18" Grande style. You can get it a wee bit shorter so it's kind of flicky at the shoulder, but this comes slightly lower than my shoulder. But I just absolutely love the style of this. It's more feminine and more girly in my opinion. So the first thing I like to do is actually get the wee pieces of hair out and separate it first of all. Stunning as always. Okay, so then with this next step, it's honestly so easy. You're literally just going to want to put your hair up into a really high ponytail. So I like to have a comb and just a brush. So I'm literally just going to brush all of my hair up into a really high ponytail. Ugh. Because my hair is so short, I'm going to have wee bits and wee pieces fall down, but I will show you how I fix that. This is the Blasting Freeze Spray. This product here is absolutely incredible, especially if you are a wig wearer. It is honestly so much better than hairspray. The hold is honestly incredible in this product. Your hair will not budge. I'm just going to spray the back of my head. I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to brush all of these wee bits, all these wee baby hairs that keep falling down, and I'm going to use my hand as well to completely slick them to my head. And I'm going to repeat this process for about 3 or 4 times, and that just means that I don't have to go in with any bobby pins. Once I have that ponytail like completely slicked up, I'm just going to take a bobble and just tie that. And I also like to do my sides as well, by the way. I forgot to mention that. I like to have them completely slick. Okay, so I'm now going to take another bobble. And I don't even know if I can explain this, but I'm just going to kind of like tie my hair like that and then put the bobble around it, but not have the bobble down here. I'm going to have it halfway up the bun, really, like so. But the reason I do this is because once I have the clip-in ponytail on, it just means that I have a wee bit of height here, so the ponytail is going to sit up and not like completely drip back. Does that make sense? I'm just going to bring it round to the side, and I try not to get this wee section of hair mixed up in with this wee section of hair, or mixed in and kind of like messed around the velcro. It just kind of makes it all a wee bit easier and tidier and neater looking whenever you're actually like wrapping it round. I don't know. So I'm just going to bring it round, and I'm going to get the clip, this one here. I wonder if I'll zoom these in a bit so you can see a wee bit better. So I'm literally just going to take that, and I'm just going to slide that underneath at the first bobble, and then bring that other end. What? I have no idea how to talk through this. I'm just going to do it and you can watch what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm now going to take the wraparound portion of the ponytail and I'm now just going to start wrapping that around, and you kind of want to bring it underneath, or grab it from underneath, sorry, and make sure it's getting stuck to all the velcro as well, by the way. Okay, so we're starting to get a wee bit tangled there, can you see? So I've just wrapped that round, and we're now going to continue to wrap this round. Kind of like use your other hand to lift the ponytail, and then use your arm as like a shelf. Jesus Christ. Subscribe for more hair tutorials. Great at explaining. In depth. Can't beat them. Fuck me. So yeah, you just keep on wrapping this round, and you kind of want to grab it, like keep on tightening it every now and again. So then obviously we're not left with much hair. So I think we're just going to, yeah, keep it there. And by this stage you kind of want to have a couple of bobby pins ready. These wee clips or grips or whatever the hell you call them. And you just want to clip that just in place. I also like to go around on the other side and kind of push some bobby pins in, so that it really holds the wraparound section, so that it definitely doesn't come apart or anything. I've actually wore these for I don't know how long at this stage, both of them, and out in public, the most windiest days, to the beach, whatever, and I've actually never had any of them actually like unravel or come apart or anything. So just in case you're kind of a wee bit worried, will it come off, will it come apart, will it start to unravel, honestly it doesn't. What really helps is the bit of velcro. It really does help. I'm just going to put some earrings in before I sort out this wee situation at the top of my head. Oh, it's killing me. Honestly guys, what do you think? I love it. It's just so quick and easy. Say if we're going out for dinner, a night out or clubbing or anything, like it's class. I love it so much. It's just so handy to literally just like shove in your head. So guys, this comes to the end of this tutorial. Short and sweet. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and all of the links that I was talking about will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to go and check them out. And also down below in the description box will be my Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, so feel free to go and follow me over there. Other than that guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one.